Hello and welcome to our Getting Started series with Oracle Linux Automation Manager. As part of this series, we previously covered creating users to set up role-based access control known as RBAC. If you haven't watched it, be sure to check out Users and Credentials in Oracle Linux Automation Manager. Having covered users, we'll now focus on granting them permissions. So let's get started. We can grant permissions at all levels of an organization. We can assign permissions to users and teams. We can even give them to various other resources, such as projects and inventories. For example, suppose you give read permissions on a resource to an organization or team. In that case, users added to that organization or team will inherit that read permission. Similarly, by granting a team execute permissions on a job template, all team members can run the job. This is how Oracle Linux Automation Manager leverages role-based access control, RBAC, to quickly deploy permissions across its resources. So how about a bit of practice? We need to grant the engineering team access to the training job template. Start by opening the job template by navigating under Resources and clicking Templates. A summary displays any existing job or workflow templates. For more details on job templates, check out our video Creating Job Templates in Oracle Linux Automation Manager. Click the Training Job Template. Notice in its details it uses the MyGitLab project and Oracle Linux Keys credentials. By default, visibility to both of these resources is limited to the System Administrator user type only for security reasons. Next, grant access to the training job template to the engineering team by clicking Permissions and then clicking the green plus button. The Add Permissions dialog appears. In Step 1, click the Teams tab and then select the checkbox next to Engineering in the list. In Step 2, select the Execute role. You can click the Key button to see details about the different roles available. Review the choices and click the Save button. The Execute role is granted to all users of the engineering team. Excellent work! Now the engineering team can run this job without contacting you. Even more important, you have kept the credentials secure, as the job template will leverage the credentials behind the scenes when executing the job. As with all permissions, if you later decide to revoke them, click the X next to the role in the summary and accept the confirmation dialog. When removing a team role, it is removed for the entire team. These same steps apply to any of the permissions tabs used throughout Oracle Linux Automation Manager. Lastly, you can also remove users from teams and organizations. Within a team, click the Users tab. Then click the X next to the member role for the user being removed and accept the confirmation dialog box. While for an organization, the same is done under the Permissions tab. So you can now assign and remove permissions to your resources and delegate work to others. Have fun distributing permissions, and thank you for watching. For additional information on Oracle Linux Automation Manager, access the Oracle Linux documentation or Oracle Linux Learning Library.